back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well on today. I want to thank you all so much for checking out another one of my videos. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. But yes, so I know this video was kind of set up kind of differently. I'm looking real homey, you know what I'm saying, got my bun on and all of that. I didn't want this video to be too structured. I wanted to be on chill vibes. I wanted to show you guys this wig I was sent from UNice. I think it used to be called UNice back in the day, or maybe it was always called UNice. But I see on the box it's like emphasis on the UNice. So yes, thank you guys so much at UNice for sending me out this wig. I truly appreciate it. But they sent it to me. It's in this box. I haven't opened it yet. But yeah, when I open the box up, it's like this. And it's packaged very nicely. Okay, so yeah. And this was in the box as well. Oh, that's cute. It's got their logo on the front. We love getting extra goodies in our boxes. I know I do. It came with the comb. Love getting combs. Wig cap. Lashes. Yes, God, honey. They stepped it up with the lashes. Like, I remember when I first started doing hair reviews and hair videos, the lashes, if they sent any, were so skimpy. But they have come a long way. And it even has their logo. Y'all see? It has their logo on it, so that's cute. Oh, and it came with some earrings. Okay, UNice. Uh-oh. Now, if I wore silver, I would rock these. But I'm a gold type of girl. I only wear gold. I don't like silver. But anyway, that was very nice. That was very nice, the goodies that they sent. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig. I'm not sure like the actual style name, so I will link it down below in the description for you to check out if you're interested, like the specs, the length, all of that for this wig. But I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see what it looks like. I've seen this wig being reviewed and styled here on YouTube amongst the ladies here that do hair videos. Everybody been killing it. They've been looking good. So when they asked me to try out this wig, I was like, heck yes, definitely. Got the netting on it. And with this on the inside. Tissue paper. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig. Okay. Definitely giving like Beyonce, you know, with the blonde and highlights and all of that. This is like a medium brown lace. So I think it's medium brown. Yeah, it's definitely medium brown. I'm not sure if they have transparent for my fair skin ladies and my lighter skin ladies. But of course, again, I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description box so you can check it out. Hairline is looking like it's pre-plucked. Sorry if you can't see that. But yeah, this is gonna be interesting. The highlights look very pretty. Very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and I think am I gonna bleach the knots? I mean, cause it's already brown, but I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots on this wig. This is what the inside looks like. It's a lace front. So you get, is it a lace front? Yeah, I think it's considered a lace front. Yeah, but this is what the inside of the cap looks like. I'm trying to hurry up because my battery's about to die. But I'm going to bleach my knots on this wig and style it, and then I'll come back once I have it all styled and do an install with you all and see how I style it. Because I always do the same thing, so I don't want to bore y'all with sitting through that. So I'm going to come back once I'm ready to put the wig on, and we can install it together and see how it turns out. Okay, so I will check you guys later.
I just wanna feel you, I want I gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like bad boy street team, I couldn't work the locks. Now let's go. Take them back to the plan. Me and my mama hopped in that U-Haul van. Any pessimists, I ain't talk to them. Plus, I ain't had no phone in my apartment. Let's take them back to the club. At least about an hour, I stand online. I just wanted to dance. I went to Jacob an hour after I got my advance. I just wanted to shine. Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now they look at me like, damn, dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend. I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Now let's take them high.
All right, y'all, so I think I'm done with my install, okay? Pretty simple. Y'all see me install my wigs all the time, but I did want to say, y'all, this wig is gorgeous, okay? I feel like Beyonce. I know it's a stretch, but I feel like, you know, it's giving Beyonce vibes, and it looks so good. Like, UNice, this is such a beautiful wig. Like, they really did their thing with this wig, y'all. The lace is really nice, really nice thin lace. It's such a beautiful wig, y'all. The hair is super soft. The curls are soft. Shedding, I get minimal shedding. I expect that already because this is curly hair, plus also this is processed hair. So, but the shedding for me is very minimal, okay? Tangling, I don't really get any tangling because the hair is so soft. I don't even want to run my hands through it because I don't want to frizz it up any more than it is. And if you just want to change up your look, you want to get feisty for whatever, y'all check out this unit. Of course, I am the one person, so definitely do your research, but my experience so far has been great, okay? Again, all information and specs are down below. Big huge shout out to UNice again. Thank y'all so much for sending me out this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to, again, like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Any questions, comments, or concerns for me, y'all know y'all can leave them down below for me, and I will get to you all as soon as I can. I love y'all so much. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Now let me in my verse right where the horns are like, I gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra